Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. This installation guide will walk you through the steps of installing an Arnott compressor for the Mercedes-Benz S-Class W220, E-Class W211, CLS-Class W219, and Maybach 57 and 62 W240 with air suspension and ADS. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Make sure to mount the compressor according to your vehicle type. Start the compressor removal by removing the engine compartment paneling underneath the vehicle. Now, remove the airline and intake tube from the compressor. Remove the old airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Next, disconnect the two electrical connectors from the compressor unit. Unscrew the 3 nuts and remove the compressor unit. The removal of the old compressor is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage and void the warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the new air suspension compressor in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. The relay is located on the right side of the vehicle in the engine compartment. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on replacing an air suspension compressor with an Arnott compressor. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.